All right. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. Of course, the reason you subscribe is because on a daily basis, we break down everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. And in today's video, I want to clue you in on what's going on with Pancakeswap, what's going on with C.R.E.A.M Finance, what's going on with the Theta Network, Sandbox, DeFi, Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course. This is a video that you do not want to miss. This bull cycle is just getting started. There is plenty of opportunity in cryptocurrency, and we are far from the top of this cycle. So let me prove that to you. Bitcoin on-chain data suggests that 60K is not the bull market top. Selling activity is declining. Do you understand? This is not what a Bitcoin bull market top looks like. We can check on-chain data. So at the end of bull cycles, we usually see long-term hodlers, smart money, like you, like me, sell into strength as retail, dumb money, FOMOs in and pushes up the price to the final parabolic stages of the cycle. We are nowhere near that stage yet. First of all, I don't see retail piling in droves. Sure, they're here a little bit, but they're not piling in droves. They're not aping in yet. And beyond that, long-term hodlers, we're not selling. We're not selling at 60K. This is extremely bullish. I mean, take a look at any on-chain data or even TA in general. Bitcoin 200-week moving average and on-chain realized metric, weighted average cost of all 18.7 million Bitcoins, both show a Bitcoin bull market that is far from over. So Bitcoin at 60K, this is not financial advice, but in my opinion, it's a great time to buy. And both Bitcoin and Ethereum, to me, look ready to pop. Both are consolidating near all-time highs. Ethereum sets all-time high of 2,197 as the cryptocurrency market surges. And if you've been subscribed to our channel, we've laid out to you, of course, just opinion, but we've laid out to you my bull case for Ethereum, why I think Ethereum is going to do well. It's got an even better narrative than it did 4 years ago, as in people's sentiment towards it, I think, is even better. So people are still thinking about Ethereum as the future of finance or the future of the internet or whatever. Beyond that, now we have DeFi, and ETH is getting locked in DeFi, which is taking supply off the market. ETH is being locked up in the ETH2 deposit contract, which is taking supply off the market. And beyond that, with DeFi or with NFTs, there's just so many ways that millions and millions of people are getting introduced to cryptocurrency, specifically, more precisely, Ethereum with NFTs. And whether we're talking about Christie's bringing their millions of people, whether we're talking about sports people bringing their millions of people, or popular content creators, anybody coming in through NFTs today has to go through cryptocurrency. That's inevitable. And for many cases, they have to go through Ethereum. I mean, even, we're talking about the Sandbox. I have an interesting development there. Or Decentraland. They're both built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So, understand a lot of people are being turned on to Ethereum. The Winklevoss NAB virtual real estate in NFT Metaverse, the Sandbox. What do the Winklevoss twins and the heavy metal band Avenged Sevenfold have in common? They're now neighbors in the NFT Metaverse, the Sandbox. The Sandbox has sold in-game land properties to an array of prominent investors. Owners can develop and monetize their own interactive experiences in the upcoming Ethereum-based game. So whether we're talking about the Sandbox or whether we're talking about Decentraland, you can buy virtual land that's verifiably yours in either of these two virtual worlds. It's verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain, and you can even monetize it if you have the means and the time and you can figure it out. You can set up your own little shop in these virtual worlds, and possibly people can buy stuff from you. You can understand why gamers, and just thinking towards the future in general, how you can see something like this catching on. Decentraland and Sandbox, two of the leaders in the space. But like I said, I mean, just NFTs in general, we are nowhere near the NFT top, in my opinion, because there's just so much upside for any athlete or celebrity to come in and just start minting their own NFTs, and the fans will buy it because it's cool. And, there's a huge market for this already. Mavs getting their first NFT training class and minted their first NFT collectibles. And before we move forward to C.R.E.A.M Finance, and before I clue you in on Pancakeswap, I thought this was a pretty big story, not only for crypto, but obviously specifically for Theta. Theta Network to launch an NFT marketplace for new World Poker Tour season. Check out the details, because this is real. The 18th season of the World Poker Tour will premiere on Sunday, April 18th on Bally Sports Network nationwide. Each year, the World Poker Tour reaches more than 140 million viewers across North America, Europe, and the rest of the world on multiple linear digital platforms and connected devices. Each week during the episode, in-show advertisement and promotional segments will direct viewers to the NFT marketplace to queue up, purchase exclusive World Poker Tour packs for a limited time, and participate in the live auction for a unique legendary poker moment. Additionally, a limited quantity of base set, rare, and legendary themed poker packs will be dropped. Signups and pre-registration are now open. According to not the CEO of Theta Network, but the CEO of the World Poker Tour, he says this: "Our exclusive NFT launch with the Theta Network is one of our biggest digital initiatives to date. And for the first time ever, we're combining our global reach of live televised poker with an NFT marketplace, giving our fans an interactive, real-time opportunity to collect a piece of the World Poker Tournament." And he added that we are thrilled to bring in some of our top poker pros, players, and celebrities to the NFT world, featuring rare and legendary World Poker Tour packs in weekly drops and running exclusive one-of-a-kind auctions for super rare poker moments. So, I mean, this is going to work in poker because it's just like a sport, just like the Mavs. Anyway, you can see, I mean, NFTs are bringing a lot of people into crypto. Let's talk about not NFTs anymore. Let's talk about DeFi, because DeFi, everybody thinks DeFi is going to go away. DeFi only continues to grow. So you ought to know about it, because a lot of people are saying this is the future in some way, shape, or form. Doesn't have to be these exact protocols, but these are the protocols that are really, paving the way. And they could work out. We don't know. Anyway, C.R.E.A.M Finance is back in the headlines after supporting flash loans and venturing into the world of cross-chain lending. They're also part of the DeFi Voltron. That's right, DeFi Voltron. In a press release, C.R.E.A.M Finance announced a new feature for, and by proxy, an unofficial relaunch of Iron Bank, the protocol-to-protocol lending platform designed for flash and uncollateralized loans. So again, all these different protocols are mimicking different services and different, either banking or lending that you can get in traditional finance, and saying, hey, we can do this on top of Ethereum, and it's going to be more permissionless and a lot less red tape than in the real world. And we don't know which protocols will succeed in the end, but a lot of people think in some way, shape, or form, something like this is the future. C.R.E.A.M, which founder Leo Chang describes as the YOLOist compound fork, is a money market designed to cover assets that are undeserved and allow for a greater capital efficiency for decentralized finance power users, listing assets such as Yearn Vault tokens and liquidity pool tokens. We're adding assets that people want to have, but others may be scared of, said Chang. Iron Bank, in many ways, is an extreme implementation of that ethos. The protocol, which allows for uncollateralized protocol-to-protocol lending, is meant to serve as DeFi's equivalent of the 10 trillion corporate debt industry. So a huge industry, allowing the principle of the corporate credit to function between whitelisted protocols. Again, DeFi is growing bigger and bigger every day. A lot of people say that something like this is the future, and we're going to continue to keep tabs on it. Now, there's a lot of risk in a lot of these protocols. Let's make no mistake about it. Doesn't mean you should be aping in to any of them or all of them or even some of them. But to know about them, to continue to learn, hopefully maybe you can find a hidden gem out there or make some sort of great trade. I mean, that's the goal, right? Pancakeswap overtook Uniswap in trading volume for a second day in a row. First time ever, I think. Will be interesting to see if and how quickly V3 plus Optimism changes that. So Uniswap 3 plus Optimism, which is a second layer solution for Ethereum. A lot of people are looking forward to all these Ethereum layer 2 solutions coming out, which is going to make Ethereum a lot better, easier, cheaper to use. It'll be interesting. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, my friends. Check out either of these 2 videos for continued education, and of course, make sure you subscribe. See you Monday.